You've got the spare thingies for the heels. I don't know how you call these.
Bruh.
English is not working right now.
What the fuck?
Guys, these are super cute. I cannot wait to rock these. I can wear it with all the outfits, you know. That goes with everything. But also I was thinking maybe I'll pair some of these outfits with some trainers, you know. Maybe some Jordans. You never know. Hey guys, welcome back to my motherfucking YouTube channel. It's your girl Shayla JB, and I'm back with another one.
I might have to put on my jury for this one.
So guys, as you can tell, I've changed the venue. Yeah, I'm in the bedroom today. So on this video, I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing what I got from Misspap. Yes, it's another package from Misspap. All right, you know what's up.
Bruh.
But guys, let me show you. The package is big, okay, because I've got a pair of mules and also a pair of sandals, so that's why the package is a bit big. But also I got like 3 outfits and an extra top, so we're gonna see. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I got from Misspap, but I'm not gonna be trying on the clothes on this video. I'm gonna create another video and make a lookbook, you know, for the first time. The lookbook is gonna incorporate some of my summer merchandise, so I'm gonna be styling these clothes together with the handbags that I have, okay? Period. So guys, let's get into this. Yeah, let's just get into this. I'm excited. Let me see. So what outfit should I start with? Let me see. I'm gonna start with this white outfit. So I got a utility style pleated skirt. Ooh. Guys, I actually love the material. The material is so good. So I'm just checking the details on this skirt. So it's 100% polyester. I think they doubled up on the material, so one side is proper thick, you know. I like this. So to pair the skirt, I went with the Organza sleeve off shoulder top, and it's in white. This is so cute. It's so bright, like you can't see it properly. Let me show you guys the outfit from the website. That's how it looks, as you can see. Okay, both of the materials look really nice. The organza feels so nice. I don't think I've got any clothing with organza on it, so I like that. The next outfit will be this cropped organza puff sleeve blouse. So as you can tell, I got a lot of organza stuff. I think I only got 2 pieces that had organza material on it. I got this top in size 10 because the size 8 had run out. So I hope, fingers crossed. It looks small though, so hopefully it's gonna fit, you know. It's just maybe the arms that looks a bit big, but it is cute. It is super cute. Super cute. Don't worry guys, I know you can't tell properly how it looks. I'm gonna show you the pictures from the website pretty soon. I paired it with these fine rib knit cycling shorts. The color might be too off from the top that I just showed you guys, so I might pair this with the next one that I'm gonna show you, and then this one I will just pair it with the black cycling shorts, something like that. It's giving me the vibes. Okay, these shorts were in a size small, so yeah. Let me show you the other lilac top that I got. So this is called Lace Puff Shoulder Button Front Blouse. Ooh. Right now you cannot see the details properly, but when I show you the pictures from the website, you're gonna understand. Alright, you will understand what I was talking about. So I feel like I will see what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I will choose later what I'm gonna do. You will see on the lookbook video what I decided to do with those outfits, because right now I'm gonna get confused. Okay, so that makes it 3 basically. That makes it 3 outfits. Therefore, I've got the 4th outfit now. So this is called Misspap Branded Elastic Binding Detail Bodysuit in size 8, of course. Fucking motorbikes. I hope it's not too big, because I was scared to get size 6 in case it was too tight on the pum pum area. Bruh. But it's looking like it's a bit big on the top. Of course I've got big boobs, but it's looking a bit big for me. We'll see when I try them on the lookbook. Yeah, okay, don't forget about that. So to pair that bodysuit, I chose these cycling shorts, Misspap branded cycling shorts in black color. I know my daddy. Tell me what's in your body. I'm not there, my easy, baby. I want to give. It's branded right there. Should fit. He's high-waisted as well, so it's gonna get me snatched. Okay. So guys, I think we're done with the clothing. Now I'm gonna show you the sliders and the mules that I got as well. I chose one of the sandals because it had a detail that I really liked, and it's gonna go well with my products as well, my handbags. Look at that. A few of my handbags has like chain details on it, so these are gonna go well when I take pictures of the bags with the sandals. I think it could just be details or full pictures, you know. I got this in size 4. Yeah, it fits. I'm wearing socks right now, but it looks like it fits. Yes. I love this. Even the leather on this looks so good. The details, everything. The threading is so perfect. I'm quite impressed, yeah, because I've never really got any shoes from Misspap before. I feel like this is the first time. I'm gonna put these back actually so that it doesn't get squashed. And I even like the little package. Look at the little tiny thing. So cute. These are the mules. This is the box where the mules are in. Bruh. This is the box that I was waiting for. Let me see. Ooh, they're so cute. Oh my god. Damn. Of course I got this in a size 4. I've got a small feet, but yeah. These look so cute. I don't think I can put them on with my socks on, but they're paying, okay? I also like the heel so much. Look at the heel. So cute. And it's not long at all. I can manage these, okay? And the leather is so nice, guys. Oh my god, I'm impressed with you, Misspap. Okay. We've got the spare thingies for the heels. I don't know how you call these. Bruh. English is not working right now. What the fuck? Guys, these are super cute. I cannot wait to rock these. I can wear it with all the outfits, you know. That goes with everything. But also I was thinking maybe I'll pair some of these outfits with some trainers, you know. Maybe some Jordans. You never know. Just wait and see. Alright. And that's on that. So guys, thank you so much for coming through and spending time with me. I'll see you soon. I'll see you on my next one. period. I'm gonna wear them and go out and get some content for the lookbook. Probably not today because I've got bare shit that I have to do today, and I've got a date tonight, so you know I'm gonna be vlogging that. But don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to come back for more. Okay guys, take care. All right, my camera is blinging, it's about to die right now. Bruh. So I'm gonna go. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.